posachedwapa tikupasirani mmene zilili ku nyumba ya malamulo lero pamene ma MP kapena kuti ma member of parliament amakumana kufuna kukambirana nkhani zina zikuluzikulu zimene zikuchitika m'dziko muno. The leader of opposition George Chaponda komanso leader of the house oyimirira government Chimwendo anatengesana pankhani zosiyana-siyana. Takhani kompoda mveserani kuti kodi anthu amenewa amatengesana pankhani yanji.
Stand by to restart the system manually. The power outage affected our chamber system, and because we do not yet have a standalone power backup for the e-chamber system currently, it was also affected, thereby disrupting some of its functionalities. The e-chamber system was affected through its server by shutting down during the power outage, which took some time to be resuscitated. I wish to report that our technicians managed to work on the server problem when power was restored, and now the system is up and running. In addition, you may wish to note that the procurement process for the power backup in the server room for the system is currently underway. And once this is concluded, we expect to have a stable system to facilitate the smooth running of our business here in the chamber. Thank you very much for your kind attention. On behalf of Red Honorable Kathy Ngodenhara, our Speaker of Malawi National Assembly. Therefore, thank you.
General business, questions or notice to ministers for oral replies.
Leader, I was. Thank you. Leader of the House.
Yes, greetings, First Deputy Speaker, honorable members. It's a wonderful day the Lord has made. We'll rejoice and be glad with the day. First Deputy Speaker, I wanted to provide guidance in terms of how we'll respond to questions this morning. We'll start with Homeland, Agriculture, then Health. Thank you.
Thanks so much, Leader, for the guidance. I see Leader of Opposition.
Thank you. Good morning, First Deputy Speaker. Sir, First Deputy Speaker, I had been accused. Is it in order that I have, after being told that I have to follow the procedure of submitting the question under the appropriate standing order, and that I did. I completed the form and asked the question under standing order 14. But up to now, First Deputy Speaker, sir, I have not received any response. 2 days since I had asked. Is this in order? Thank you.
Thanks so much, Honorable Leader, Right Honorable Leader of Opposition. I know your issue. I will follow it up. Honorable Leader, if you check your order paper, it's there. If you check your order paper on page 53, after question 411, for standing order under matter of urgent public importance, under standing order 14, the honourable member of Mulanje Southwest to raise a matter unless you've changed the constituency. Unless this is not your constituency. Thank you. Thank you. Honourable member, in the new e-chamber system, just press the gadget.
I've already done so.
Yeah?
Okay. Thank you, Mr. First Deputy Speaker, for giving the people of Chirazo South to be called the Chirazo Chirazulo Midima. Madam, Mr. First Deputy Speaker, is it in order? Is it in order that in a cabinet of over 30 ministers, you only have 4. Actually, the other one is just the Minister of Transport is just coming in. When we were starting, we only had 3. To me, Mr. First Deputy Speaker, is quite worrying. To me, it's an indication that the government is serious. I'm aware, Mr. First Deputy Speaker, that they know we are coming back in 2025, but they should not give up now. They should not give up now. To me, because I'm saying this because we have questions on the order paper to do with ministries. Most of the ministers are not here. As you know, Mr. First Deputy Speaker, when you see, if you see it's given to another minister, he cannot fully understand what is happening in the ministry. In addition to that, even the supplementary questions, it's difficult for the ministers to answer. So is it in order? Is it in order? I'm aware of the standing order. I'm aware of standing order that you can delegate, but you cannot delegate almost all.
Honorable member, point of order is only for a minute, and the minute is gone. Collective responsibility. And we have able ministers, we have able leader of the house, we have able deputy of the house. Unless you ask, your questions are not addressed. However, it's imperative that members, including ministers, attend Parliament. If you look at both sides, the attendance is very bad. Even in the opposition side, I don't know why what the whips are doing in opposition. If you check front row UDF, there's none from UDF there. You can see. So it's imperative and it's sad that today we have poor numbers. It's important. But to say who is giving up, the word giving up, the chair doesn't know who is giving up. Leader.
Thank you. Right Honorable First Deputy Speaker. One of the advantages of using the new gadgets is...
Honorable members, when the leader is speaking, let's respect him by being quiet and listen to him. It's important. He's the leader of the house.
So one of the advantages of the new system, together with the new TVs, is that when people stand in this house, the way they look in the cameras, you can't even recognize that this is the same Mwanamvika speaking. They totally transform on the TVs. They change the way they look. They look younger than how they physically look.
Honorable leader, Chiratu South is very young and energetic.
So when he stands and I look at the camera there, I don't believe that it's him. He looks very younger. So I wanted to thank my colleagues from that side for raising that point. But I also wanted to appeal to your own side. I think it's a poor attended side. And this is not only for today. Yesterday it was worse. And yesterday was a private day. We expected a lot of business even from them. To be very honest, it's shameful that they didn't even come. There was actually 1 or 2 people in front line. They were nowhere to be seen. And for that reason, I know the front line has got 3 vice presidents, but that must not deny Malawian services. No, the rising star is above the vice presidents. The rising star is above the vice presidents.
Leader, what standing order are you quoting? What second are you quoting?
I'm trying to motivate the House. This is a quiet House. From yesterday, the House has been very quiet. So I really want the opposition to wake up. Please wake up, opposition. Wake up, don't sleep, opposition. It's only Cholo Central. I have to be honest. Cholo Central this week has worked very hard. Not that he's my friend, but opposition, wake up. Yesterday we were almost sleeping when the opposition. When the opposition
is upbeat.
But we love our colleagues. We still have notes. We still have notes how we oppose the government, and it's not easy. It's not easy. It's not easy to oppose government when you have got 4 divisions within your party. And someone yesterday was lying to Malawians that when he becomes president, he's going to be walking by foot. Yesterday. May God forgive them. Thank you so much, First Deputy Speaker.
Okay, technicians, take note. Where is it Zombach? Okay, honourable members, remember when 6 microphones are on, you make others not to be active. So, like in this case, there is Mangoje South, the mic is on. Zomba Sanjara mic on. Yeah. No. Honour member, was the leader understood, and it's in all standing orders that when our seniors stand, we recognize them. The leader opposition again stood. I did likewise. All right. So no procedure is floated here. I'm just following our procedures. We respect our leadership from both ends. The leader of opposition and the leader of the House. Honourable members, let's proceed. We, as per guidance from the leader of the House, we begin with question 341, the people of Mangochi Northeast. Mangochi Northeast. It seems Mangochi Northeast is not in the chamber. We therefore go to questions under Mr. Agriculture 366, Mangochi Masongola. Mangochi Masongola seems honour member is not in the chamber. We therefore proceed to questions under Minister of Health. Is it transport, leader? Transport? Okay. Minister of Health, the people of Mangochi Bay. Mangochi Bay, question 402 under Minister of Health. Confirmation, please. Zomba Malosa, point of order.
Thanks so much, First Deputy Speaker. I'm trying to use the new gadget to ask for point of order, but you are not recognizing me. It's not good. My point of order is, I submitted a question under Standing Order 14 on Monday. Till today, I asked yesterday, they told me it's on the clerk's table, but till now, I can't even see it on the order paper. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Honourable Member, for Zoba Malosa. We'll make a follow-up and help accordingly. Thank you. Mangochi Bay, question 402. Thank you.
Thank you very much, First Deputy Speaker, sir, for allowing the people of Mangochi Bay to ask a question to the Minister of Health. So I'm standing to confirm that question 402 is indeed from Mangochi Bay, and it is to do with a health facility Kanyanga Health Center, which is at roof stage, and it has stored for the past 4 years. And I wanted to find out from the minister what plans she has to make sure that this health center is completed, because the people of Kanyanga walk 30 kilometers to the nearest health center, which is Monkey Bay Community Health Center. Thank you very much.
Honourable Member for Machinga East, I will recognize you after the minister responds. I've seen that you've raised the point of order. I will recognize you. Thank you. Honourable Minister of Health.
Thank you so much, First Deputy Speaker, and through you, let me thank the Honourable Member for the question. And the question is to ask the Minister of Health to consider completing the Kanyanga Health Center, which has stored at the roofing stage for several years. And once completed, the center will serve the people of 12 villages living 30 kilometers from Monkey Bay Community Hospital. First Deputy Speaker, my ministry is fully aware of the significant role that Kanyanga Health Center will play in providing essential healthcare services to a catchment area of over 12,000 people spanning 12 villages. And these villages include Kanyanga, Mambo, Dixon, Mserema, Kaije, Kwipulumbu, Mkombe, Abudu, Midima, Jambo, Chididi, Kapado, Zimbawadi, Mchisa, William, and Intola villages. The completion of this health center is crucial for those residing 30 kilometers from the nearest facility, which is Monkey Bay Community Hospital. First Deputy Speaker, I would like to inform the Honourable Member that Kanyanga Health Center is among the facilities that stored after the Cashgate scandal. I think that was during the DPP government. And my ministry is now completing them under Health Services Joint Fund. However, due to limited resources, these completions are being done in phases. My ministry will ensure that the facility is taken on board and to ensure its completion. I would also like to take this opportunity to request the Honourable Member that he may wish to engage the Council as well to consider to complete some of the structures at the facility under the Health Facility Rehabilitation Project, which includes funding for projects like the Kanyanga Health Center. The Council is now responsible for managing these funds and holds the responsibility for overseeing the completion of projects like this. My ministry stands ready to assist by providing necessary technical support, including ensuring that construction meets the required standard and offering guidance on any additional drawings or indeed documentation that may be required for the project's completion. First Deputy Speaker, be rest assured that my ministry remains committed to supporting efforts to improve health services infrastructure across the country. I thank you, First Deputy Speaker.
I'd recognize point of order for Machinga East, then go to Tolo Central.
First Deputy Speaker, thank you for recognizing the people of Machinga East to pose a point of order. My point of order is to put to your attention, First Deputy Speaker, that yesterday I did put forward a question under Standing Order 14. I wanted to raise a matter of national importance that need the government's attention, and that question is not appearing on the order paper.
We'll make a follow-up as committed to Zoma Malosa. We'll make a follow-up. Thank you so much, Honourable Member for Machinga East. Point of order, Zomba Risanjara. Sorry, it's been pressing before Tro Central. Thank you.
Thank you, First Deputy Speaker. My point of order is also to do with the questions that I submitted on Tuesday under Standing Order 13. I thought it would begin to appear so that we hear response from the government side. Taking advantage of the floor, I would like to request you, First Deputy Speaker, for the Minister of Health to repeat when he was responding. He did mention DPP. I just wanted to understand exactly why DPP was brought into the equation when she was responding to a question from an honorable member. Thank you.
The people of Zombali Sanja, likewise, the office of the speaker will make a follow-up on your question that was put forward to be responded to. So make a follow-up and make a commitment. Thank you. It seems it's a Friday point of orders. Okay. Okay. Leader of opposition, point of order.
Thank you, First Deputy Speaker. I thought I should correct the insinuation which was made by the Leader of the House that the opposition is sleeping. This is not true, First Deputy Speaker. We have been on our toes, and in fact, we have called for the President to come, and it has been agreed. That shows that we are not sleeping. We are putting the issues at stake. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Thanks so much, Right Honorable Leader of Opposition. And as I said, no member here is sleeping. Both the executive and the opposition. I see Leader of the House standing. Leader of the House.
Right Honorable First Deputy Speaker, it's good that the leader of opposition has responded that he's not sleeping after 25 minutes of my speech. Thank you.
Point of order, Toro Cento.
Thank you very much and good morning. Mr. First Deputy Speaker, this is a house of records. It's either it's struck off or it is there. The Minister of Health said the cash gate during the DPP government. It's on record. And I wonder whether she's got evidence because the cash gate is popular and everybody knows which government it was and it is not DPP. And I therefore demand that either she provide evidence or that bit alone be withdrawn for purposes of records of this house. I submit.
Thanks so much, the people of Rosendo. It's not a secret when Cashgate came known to Malawians and the entire world, it was in the other regime. So I do instruct our answer section to remove that extract from the speech. Thank you. I do sustain your point of order. Thank you so much, Rosendo. Honourable members, let's proceed. Supplementary, the people of the West. Point of order. There's a Central East.
Good morning, First Deputy Speaker. Thanks for recognizing people with the sentence to rise on this point of order. I thought before without reflecting on you, Chair, before ruling on what Cholo Cento said, it's in the public domain that 577 billion cash gate was stolen during DPP and ministers were implicated. It's in the public domain and it's in media. So that's what the Minister of Welfare meant when she mentioned of cash gate during DPP.
It's in public domain. 577 billion was stolen, and ministers were implicated. It's in the media. It's in the media.
Other members, we can't come on a Friday morning and be arguing on point of orders. I'll leave it up to you. Let's proceed. We are using taxpayers' money. Let's use taxpayers' money prudently. Other members, I'm an accountant. I believe in prudence. So let's use taxpayers' money prudently. Let's proceed to business. Our people need drugs in our hospitals. They need food. Let's help our people. Let's debate on issues that matter. Thank you so much. There's the lower west supplementary question.
Thank you very much, First Deputy Speaker, for recognizing Lower West to raise a question, a supplementary question. Actually, First Deputy Speaker, my supplementary question is on Kalonga potential construction project of the Hefe facility. I wanted to find out from the Honorable Minister of Health whether the commencement of this particular project could be expedited so that my people at Kalonga, Ndolera, Mwachiswa, Ntsilo should benefit from this facility. It has been on the proposed list of projects for the past 10 years. Honorable Kusamba Zozi stood in this house, he talked about that facility. I'm also I've been standing to request a consideration that that particular site, First Deputy Speaker, as you passed through it, you were feeling a headache. If we had a hospital there, I'm sure you could have been treated. So I wanted to find out from my Honorable Minister, a sister, whether it is possible to consider the people of Kalonga this time around. I submit. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Honourable Member for Lower West. Honourable Minister. Okay. The Minister wants to take more. The people of Lilongwe Southeast, please.
Thank you, Your Honor, the First Deputy Speaker, for recognizing the people of Lilongwe Southeast. Through you, Your Honor, the First Deputy Speaker, I'd like to find out from the Minister of Health as to how soon are we going to complete Bisai Health Post and Nchakulu Health Post, which were funded by Global Fund. Since we started, the projects have stored at foundation stage and the certificates are not being paid. Bisai Health Post and the Nchakulu Health Post. These two posts, the project has stored. Through you, the First Deputy Speaker, I would like to thank the support which the able Minister of Health has always offered to the people of Lilongwe Southeast as a woman. And at the same time, through you, the First Deputy Speaker, allow me also to appreciate in the House that today, I know you make an announcement, but today, VGA, Victoria Gardens Academy, is in the house, and my one and only daughter is also in the house. So I just wanted to recognize our presence, the presence of my one and only daughter, Abata, in the house, as you respond to the people of Lilongwe Southeast. Thank you, Chair, Deputy Speaker.
In the same vein, may I ask the students from Victoria private school, to stand and see how your MP operates. He's always active. May you stand, please? Our students from Victoria Private School, may you stand? And I ask the MP for the area to stand as well. Honorable Baba Malonde, may you stand and wave for your students? may the child come closer so that he sees the dad. Thank you. Honorable Minister of Health, so thank you so much, our students from Victoria Academy. Welcome to Parliament. On behalf of the Speaker, this is a home. Always make it a date. Come again whenever you feel free. This where you belong. This where your people are, and they all speak for you. Always work hard in class. Our teachers, thanks so much for bringing our students to this August house. You may have your seats, please. Thank you so much. On our Minister of Health? Okay. Wait. Mangochi South?
Thank you, Right Honorable First Deputy Speaker, for recognizing Mangochi South. I would like to ask the Minister of Health. I've asked this question many times. I've got a health center in my constituency, Sinyala Health Center, and I've always asked for a maternity wing. I've always received positive answers, but up to now, there's no sign that maternity wing will be done. Can I ask the Minister yet again, is this maternity wing on the list of priorities in your ministry? Secondly, maybe last time I asked saying maybe we just change your policy. There's no use of building health centers without a maternity wing. That policy, the old policy, is not working because in the end, we stand here again to ask for maternity wings. Can you look into this and see what we can do to help the women in Sinyala? Thank you very much, First Deputy Speaker.
Honourable Member for Blantyre Rural Southwest has been requesting to ask. Honourable Gachingwe, it's Blantyre Southwest, yes.
Thank you so much, Mr. Speaker, sir, for organizing Blantyre Rural Southwest. Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to ask the Minister if he can assist us at a Chonchi maternity wing. We have constructed a maternity wing at Chonchi Health Center, but we are lacking houses for nurses. So if you can consider us to help us for constructing of nurses' houses. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank you so much, the people of Blantyre Rural Southwest, Mpemba over there. Thank you so much. Honorable Minister of Health.
Thank you so much, First Deputy Speaker. And through you, let me thank the honorable members for their supplementary questions. The first one was from Doa West. He's asking, when are we going to start construction of Karonga Health Center? First Deputy Speaker, since it's like a new question, may I ask the honorable member to allow me to go back to the planning department and get more information so that, I can speak to what is really on the ground. Lilongwe Southwest, he was asking about the Bisai and Injaku Health Post that they had installed. I'm happy to report through you, First Deputy Speaker, that the contractors, they have been paid. Now they're supposed to be on the ground. So just check for me if the works have restarted. But all the contractors, all the certificates, they have been paid. The third one was the Mangochi South, but I did not get the name of the facility.
Honourable Member, someone is playing some music on the phone, please, for my left. desist from that malpractice, please. Mangoji South, Honourable Minister wants clarity on the name of the center you're mentioning. Mangoji South, may you repeat?
It's a Sinyala, Sinyala.
Signal, okay. Signal, Honourable Minister.
Thank you so much, Honorable Member for Mangochi South, who was asking if we can construct a maternity wing at Sinyala. First Deputy Speaker, my ministry, like I've been saying, what we have done is that the funds which we have provided for maintenance and rehabilitation, most of the councils, they're using the same to put up maternity wings. Several health centers and several districts, they have done that. I've visited, I think Balaka, they have built very, very beautiful maternity wings using the same resources. So I would advise maybe the honorable member to sit with our DHO and see how best. And the Mangochi is one of those blessed districts who have got so many partners in the health sector who are really assisting them. But I will also take it up to see with our other partners who can assist us. But I thought the rehabilitation funds was the most readily available funding. But we'll find out if we can get other resource envelopes to build the same. On the policy, now it is our policy as well. We are encouraging. In fact, now we want each and every health center, they should have a maternity wing, because it does not serve the purpose of encouraging safe motherhood if the health center doesn't have the maternity wing. So we are encouraging that, and we're also talking to other partners as well to assist us, that those health centers which are already in existence, they should have a maternity wing so that they become complete. Blantyre Southwest, they've built a maternity wing. Thank you so much, Honorable Member, for facilitating that. And now you're asking for nurse houses. We'll look into this if we have partners to help, but we would be happy if you can also maybe use CDF at least to construct for us one or two, and then the partners will add more, because we know we need more than 2 houses for a facility to provide accommodation for our healthcare workers. Thank you, First Deputy Speaker.
Thanks so much, Honorable Minister of Health. We now go to question 404, Mzimba Central.
Thank you very much, Mr. First Deputy Speaker, sir. I stand confirming question number 404, coming from T. Shindi. Thank you, Deputy Speaker.
So much, the people of Mzimba Central. Minister.
Thank you so much, First Deputy Speaker. And through you, let me thank the Honorable Member for Zimba Central constituency for his question. And the question is to ask the Minister of Health to consider fully upgrading Tini Health Center into a rural hospital, as the facility has had medical equipment stored outside for a long time. First Deputy Speaker, my ministry acknowledges the importance of upgrading Tini Health Center into a fully functional community hospital. Tini is 80 kilometers from Zimba District Hospital, which is the main referral facility, and it serves a large catchment area of over 32,000 people. Furthermore, the surrounding area includes 5 additional health centers, bringing the total catchment population to nearly 200,000 people. The poor road network between Tini and Zimba also excavates the challenges of patient referrals, particularly for the pregnant women and children, and further highlighting indeed the need for a fully operational hospital in Tini. First Deputy Speaker, I would like to inform the Honorable Member that my ministry is already upgrading the facility into a community hospital. The construction efforts have already begun at the facility with Lero District Council and the other stakeholders. working on a laboratory and laundry unit. Furthermore, an operating theater has been constructed. Mr. First Deputy Speaker, my ministry will continue to engage to mobilize more resources in order to have all the necessary infrastructure in place. The honorable member can be rest assured that the facility is budgeted for in the ministry's capital investment plan as a community hospital and will ensure that this is implemented accordingly. I thank you, First Deputy Speaker.
Supplementary, beginning with Honorable Member for Palombe South, then we'll go to Rumpinov, then Cholot South Tekeran.
Thank you very much, First Deputy Speaker, for according Palombe South.
Commissioner Palombe South. Yes.
Thank you, First Deputy Speaker, for allowing Palombe South to pose a supplementary question to the Minister of Health. Two issues. Yes, my daughter, Minister of Health. Palombe Health Center. Palombe Health Center have been standing here for the past 4 years. Probably today, we are going to